So when you start thinking about that your hand is always moving in some sort of path, it's very tiny, and that the head is always moving in some sort of path, you can't have a circle that's smaller than this. In other words, if my hand moves more, yes, this will be a smaller circle, but my hand is making a big circle. If my hand moves a little, this makes a big circle. So this is like when you're thinking about your hand and your head working together, this is the smallest you get normally.
Okay. Okay. Cat eye. Yeah.
Look at that, that's like so meta right there. It's like a cat eye over the cat eye.
So here's one unit circle extension, but if I move next to it, it just changed.
Okay.
Right? And so look at this. Up there, there's another circle up there. Right? Isolation.
Okay.
Wait. Extension, cat eye, isolation, cat eye, isolation, cat eye, extension. I don't have it super smooth.
Say that again, Claudia. Meow. Good. Meow. Again. Good. Good. You're great.
It's so cute. Hold on, if we hold her for long enough, she'll want to leave. This is a cute one.
Yeah, look at that. A little tail. Oh, where's she going? Where's she going?
Yeah. Here you go.